If your Namecheap account access has been blocked, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common reasons this happens and the exact steps you can take to get back into your account. Whether you were locked out after too many failed login attempts, failed trusted device codes, multiple 2FA attempts, or a security review related to fraud or a chargeback, I'll show you what to do next so you can recover access as quickly and safely as possible. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's get into it. First, if your account was locked after too many failed login attempts, the fastest thing you can try is resetting your Namecheap password. In many cases, a password reset can help you regain access immediately, especially if the issue was caused by repeated incorrect login attempts. Go to the Namecheap sign-in page and choose the password reset option. Follow the on-screen instructions, create a new secure password, and then try signing in again. If resetting the password does not solve the problem right away, the next option is to wait for the lock to expire automatically. In this case, Namecheap may temporarily block access for security reasons, and the lock can clear after about 24 hours. Once that waiting period is over, return to the login page and try again using the correct email and password. Make sure you are typing everything carefully, since a small mistake can trigger another failed attempt. Now, if your account was locked after failed trusted device codes, the process is a little different. The first thing to do is wait about 15 minutes for the temporary lock to expire. During that time, avoid repeatedly requesting codes, because that can make the issue continue longer than necessary. After the 15 minutes are up, request a new verification code and enter it carefully. It is also important to know that you can request the verification email up to 5 times per hour. So if you are not receiving the email, do not keep spamming the request button over and over. Instead, wait a little while, check your inbox again, and make sure to look in the spam or junk folder too. When the new code arrives, enter it exactly as shown so you do not trigger another lockout. If your account was locked after failed 2FA attempts, the best thing you can do is stop entering more codes once the account is blocked. Repeatedly trying additional codes will not speed up recovery and can sometimes make the security lock more frustrating to deal with. In this situation, Namecheap may require you to wait up to 24 hours for the account to unlock automatically. After the waiting period, try signing in again with the correct 2-factor authentication code. Make sure your authentication app is synced properly and that you are using the most current code available. If the problem still continues after waiting and retrying carefully, your next step should be to contact Namecheap support. They can help you determine whether there is a deeper account security issue and guide you through the next recovery step. Finally, if your account was locked because of suspected fraud or a chargeback, you will need to check the email address linked to your Namecheap account. Namecheap usually sends instructions by email in these situations, so start by checking your inbox carefully. Don't forget to inspect your spam or junk folder as well, because important security messages sometimes end up there. Once you find the email from Namecheap, follow the instructions exactly as provided. If you do not see any email at all, then the best next step is to contact Namecheap's risk management department for assistance. They handle these types of account review issues and can help explain what is needed to restore access. So to quickly recap, if you were locked out after failed logins, try resetting your password or wait 24 hours. If it was failed trusted device codes, wait 15 minutes and request a fresh code. If it was failed 2FA attempts, stop retrying and wait up to 24 hours. And if the block was related to fraud or a chargeback, check your email and contact risk management if needed. I hope this helped you fix your Namecheap account access blocked issue. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.